Dear. Now I've really done it. I think I've flooded the whole art cave. Oh, and to make it worse, it looks like there's sharks in here.
It's just me, Tom.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, you had me scared.
Don't worry.
How did you make that shark hat anyway?
Well, what you need is a pen, some scissors, glue, and of course, some paper. So, what you will start doing is just to draw out the fin. You can use a pencil for that. Make it nice and big. Okay. Then you will want to use some glue. Just glue the inside. You'll leave a strip just underneath. Use that later. So it'll look like so. Now, turn the paper over to glue it to the one underneath. You would want to wait for the glue to dry so the fin is a bit more stiff. Here's one I made earlier. Now I'll want to cut the fin out. Like so. Remember, we have unglued bit here, and now I want to make a strip that fits around your head. Unfortunately, it's a bit too short, but what we can do is just to fold it a few times so you can see where we can cut. We can cut the strips out, glue them together. There you are. Now you want to use another strip so it can be the fin can be put on top of here. Remember how we didn't glue this bit? Now it's time to glue that bit. Also glue your strip. The whole bit of the strip. Put that on top. Now what I like to do is just to fold these in. And there you are. A red shark. Do you want to try it on?
Scary. Where did all these jellyfish come from?
Well, I think they came from plastic bags.
Oh.
Let's try and make our own version. We've got some plastic bag. We've got a washcloth, but you can use anything you've got to fill the plastic bag with inside. Put it in. Blow some air in there. If you've got an elastic band, you can put that around to keep the air in. So now we've got something that looks like the bottom bit. And use some scissors. Cut strips. But you can also add another bag. Now you can choose different ways of attaching this to the bottom bit here. But I think I'll use rubber band one more time.
You could always get a grown-up to help you with this part.
There you are. Now to make them hang and float. And tape the string on top. And there you are.
I think we should give him some eyes.
Oh yeah, good idea. Wow, so much better.
Cool. If you'd like to share any of the creations you've made with us, you can upload them to Firstsite's online studio.
You can get a grown-up to help you follow the instructions on the link below.
See you next time.
Bye!
Woo!